iQOO is working on its next performance-oriented flagship, the iQOO 13. We have been hearing about it through leaks and rumors. The iQOO 13 5G was just spotted on the IMEI database, the model number V2408 in China, and in a new one, Tipster Digital Chat Station has revealed details about its camera setup. Its feature a 50MP Sony IMX921 main sensor, 50MP Samsung ISOCELL-JN1 ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP Sony IMX826 telephoto camera with 2x zoom, and 32MP selfie camera. The iQOO 13 feature a 6.7-inch with 2K resolution OLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate made by BOE, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. iQOO 13 equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. It is also expected to feature an IP68 rated body fitted with a metal middle frame. The phone could pack a 6100 mAh dual-cell battery with support for 120W fast charging. Wireless charging is expected to reach 50W. This design is expected to be similar to the first generation of iQOO smartphones, where a vertical light strip was embedded about 1 mm deep into the glass rear panel. iQOO 13 will land in India in early December, likely between December 1st and 10th. The starting price could be around 55,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.